Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Google Workspace email to Wix. First, you will need an active Google Workspace account with a custom domain. Then, ensure your Wix site is published and ready for domain connection. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process simple and clear. Having a professional email like your name at your domain. Com significantly boosts your business's credibility and communication. Let's get started on setting up your professional email. Before connecting to Wix, you must prepare your Google Workspace account. Begin by purchasing a suitable Google Workspace plan and verifying your domain. Next, log into your Google Admin Console. Here, you will find the necessary MX records, which are crucial for directing your email traffic. These records typically include 5 entries with varying priorities. Make sure to copy these details accurately, as they are essential for the next steps in the connection process. Now, let's integrate your Google Workspace email with your Wix website. Log into your Wix account and go to the Domains section. Select your domain and choose to manage its DNS records. You will need to add the MX records you obtained from your Google Admin Console. Carefully input each of the 5 MX records, ensuring the priority values are correct. This step tells Wix where to send emails for your domain, linking your professional email to your site. After updating your DNS records on Wix, it's time to verify the connection. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. During this period, send a few test emails from your new Google Workspace address to different recipients. If emails are not arriving, double-check all 5 MX record entries for accuracy in your Wix DNS settings. Patience is key, but most connections are successful within a few hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.